Hi, I'm Sundaramala. I welcome you all to VMix Solutions to discuss about Java operator. Let us see today's agenda. What is operator and types of operator? What is arithmetic operators with programming? What is assignment operators with programming? What is logical operators with programming? What is relational operators with programming? And finally, interview questions. Here we go. What is operator? Operators are used to perform operations on variables and values. For example, 5 and 10 are operand plus is the operator. This operator used to add numbers. Types of operator. Operators are classified based on the functionality they provide. They are assignment operators, arithmetic operators, logical operator, relational operator, unary operator, bitwise operator, ternary operators, shift operators. Today we are going to focus on arithmetic, assignment, logical and relational operators only. What is arithmetic operator? Arithmetic operators are used to perform addition, subtraction, multiplication and division for all floating and integer numbers. It's important to understand their behavior and precedence rules when using them in expressions. Types of arithmetic operators. Plus operator, which is used to add numbers. Minus operator, which is used to subtract numbers. Star operator, which is used to multiply numbers. Backslash, which is used to divide numbers. Percentage symbol, we are saying modulus in Java, which is used to find remainder while we divide numbers. Programming using arithmetic operators. I have created one class, arithmetic operator. Within I have created one main method. I have declared two variables, a is equal to 50 and b is equal to 10. Now I am adding a plus b using plus operator, subtracting minus operator, multiplication using star operator. I am dividing the a and b with the help of backslash operator. Then I have find the modulus remainder using modulus operator. Let us move into IntelliJ idea to see arithmetic operators. I'm just printing the addition, subtraction, multiplication, division and modulus. Let us run this program. For running, we got our output. Addition of A and B is equal to 60. Subtraction of A and B, 40, isn't it? Multiplication of A and B, 500. Division of A and B is 5. Now 50 divided by 3, the remainder is 2. Okay. Now you got the what is arithmetic operators. Let us move to assignment operators. Assignment operators are used in Java to assign values to variable, isn't it? For example, string is a data type. Name is a variable. I am assigning Olivia is a name to name variable. Here is equal to is the assignment operator. The assignment operator can be combined with other operators to build a shorter version of the statement called compound statement. For example, a equal to a plus 5. This is the addition of a plus 5, that addition value assigned to a. Now I am going to write like this, a plus equal to 5. The both are same. We can short like that. Types of assignment operator. Plus equal to, assign the left operand with the right operand and then assign it to the variable on the left. For example, I am adding a plus 5, then the result will be stored in a. Subtraction minus equal to, subtracting the right operand from the left operand and then assign it to the variable on the left. For example, a minus equal to 5. Now I am subtract the a with 5, the result will be assigned to A. Multiplying the left operand with the right operand and then assigning it to the variable on the left. Same like that. The result will be assigned to A. Backslash equal to dividing the left operand by the right operand, then assigning it to variable on the left. The model is equal to is finding the remainder and assign the value to the A. Assigning the modulo of the left operand by right operand and then assigning it to the variable on the left. Programming using assignment operators. I have created one class assignment operator. Within I have created one main method. Main method I have declared one variable A is equal to 7. This is adding the number. This is subtracting, multiplying and find the division. The value will be stored in again in the same variable name. M equal to 5. I am finding the modulus. Then I am storing in M variable. Let us move into IntelliJ IDEA to see the program output of this program. See, this is the output. Now I am adding 7 plus 3 and I am storing this value result in A. So it's print A 10. Now the 10 is subtracted by the 2, the A value. Now A value is 10. That is subtracted by the 2. The result is 8. The 8 is multiplied with 4. That is stored, the value is stored in A, that is 32. Now I am finding remainder, division. The result will be stored in A. The M is 5. That is finding the modulus remainder and that is stored in M. That is 1. Then logical operator. Logical operators are used to perform logical and or and not operations. They are used to combine two or more conditions. The logical operators are often used in conditional statements, loops, expressions, and control the flow of the program based on the Boolean conditions. The types of logical operators and, or, and not. And the operator returns true if the both statements are true. Or operator returns true if one statement is true. The not operators is reverse the result. Returns false if the result is true. Let us see the program using logical operators. Here I have created one class, main method with I have declared one variable A is equal to 5. Now I am checking the both conditions. If the both conditions are true, it will return true. If the one condition is false, it will return false. If the both in OR condition, if any one condition is true, it is return true. In reverse operator, it will return not operator. This is not operator. It will reverse the result. If the condition is true, if the both conditions are true, it will return true. False. It reverse the result. Let us move to IntelliJ IDEA to see how the logical operators are working. Int A is equal to 5. Okay. If 5 less than 6 and 5 less than 20. The both conditions are true, it will return true. Look over here. You will see the result. Because it returned true because the both conditions are true. If I change 2, it will return false because the first condition is false. Isn't it? The first condition is false, so it returned false. The main rule is the both conditions should be true, then only it will return true in AND operator. Then we will see the OR operator. In OR operator, if any one is true, it will return true. Here I am giving 2. It will return true because it satisfies the second condition. Is it? The first condition is false, the second condition is true, it will return true. If the both conditions are false, it return false. See the output. In OR operator, if the both conditions are false, it return false. If any one condition is true, it return true. In OR. It's true. Okay. Then we will see NOT operator. It reverses the result. If the both conditions are true, the result is true. But it print the reverse. If the both conditions are true, it will return false. See the third output. If the both conditions are true, both conditions are true, false. If the both conditions are true, it will return false. If the both conditions true, here both conditions are true, it return false. If any one condition is false, it returns true. Isn't it? Now first one is a false, the second is a true. So the result is false. It will return true because it reverse the result. See, it returns true. Now you got what is logical operator. Then relational operator. We often need to check the relation between two operands such as equality, inequality. The relational operators in Java are used to check the relations between two operands. After comparison, the relational operators return a Boolean value. There are 6 types of operators in Java. Is equal to checks if operands are equal, if two operands are equal. Not equal to is checks if two operands are not equal. Less than checks if one operand is less than the other. Less than or equal to checks if one operand is either less than or equal to the other. Greater than checks if one operand is greater than the other. Greater than or equal to checks if one operand is greater than or equal to the other. Let us see the program. I have created one relational operator class. Then main method, I have declared two variables a equal to 7, b equal to 11. Okay. Now I am checking a is equal to b. They both are same. It will false. Okay. Because not this is not an equal. Not equal to, it's written true. It's a greater than. False. Less than true. Greater than or equal to false, less than or equal to false, isn't it? Let us see the output, then only we can come to the point. This is a relational operator. A is equal to b. It's checking. A is 7 is equal to b. 7 is equal to 11. It's a false. It return false for the first result. 7 is not equal to b. So the second is true because 7 is not equal to 11. So this is a true. 7 is greater than is equal to 11. It's a false, isn't it? Greater than false. It's a true. 7 is less than is true. Greater than or equal to false. Less than or equal to true. We said 7 less than or equal to is true. This is a relational operator. And finally, interview questions. What is expression in Java? An expression in Java is the combination of operators, operands that is used to perform mathematical or logical calculations. In simple words, it is a combination of variables, constants, and operators. For example, an expression is x plus 5. Here, x is a variable, 5 is a constant, plus is the operator. It adds the two operands and produces the desired result. What are the priority levels of arithmetic operators in Java? Arithmetic operators are addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Okay. There are two priority levels arithmetic operators in Java. They are as follows: high priority, low priority. The multiplication, division, and modulus are the high priority. Plus and minus comes under the low priority. What is modulus operator? Modulus operator is represented by percentage and returns the remainder of the division operation. What is the result of relational operator when it is used in looping or branching statement? Relational operators and logical operators both are giving the true or false Boolean value, isn't it? The result of the relational operators is always of a Boolean type. It returns true or false. The next is, what are logical operators in Java? The logical operators in Java, those operators that are used to perform compound conditions by combining two or more conditions or relational expressions. These operators are also called Boolean operators because they are return a Boolean value. There are three types of logical operators and or not operator. How does the assignment operator behave when working with primitive types and non-primitive types? That is objects in Java. For primitive type, the assignment copies the value, whereas the assignment copies the value, right? Whereas in non-primitive, the assignment copies the reference to the object because the reference value has only the non-primitive data types has only a reference. Okay, so the assignment copies the reference to the object, not the actual object. Explain the difference between equal to and equal to in Java. Equal to in Java. The equal to assignment operators used to assign a value to the variable. While is equal to is the equality operator used to compare two values for equality. I hope this video is very informative and knowledgeable for you. Thank you so much. If you have any queries, just mail me msundaramala@gmail.com. I will catch you with another part of operator video. Until be happy, always